All right, let's get into this warm up. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, step. Okay, Hey.
I love you so. Hey, that's what you say. You tell me, baby, baby, please don't go away.
There you go. Down.
I never stay. So every girl that I meet, yeah, this is what I say. Run, run away, baby.
Step, step, touch.
You better get away, darling, 'cause everything you heard is true. Your poor little heart will end up alone. 'Cause Lord knows I'm a rolling stone. So you better run away, baby. Yeah. Well, let me think. What should I do? So many eager young bunnies that I'd like to pursue. Now, even though they're eating out the palm of my hand, there's only one carrot and they
All right.
I love you so.
So today we have 3 different sections that we're going to learn. So let's get started with section 1. We step out right, and we're twisting. Left, right, left. 4 counts. Our hands go in, out, out. For our next 4 counts, we have step, snap, step, snap, tap, snap, snap. Let's do that in complete motion. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Snap. 6, 7, 8. We repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You step out with your right foot. You cross that left foot behind you. You step out with your left. You cross that right foot behind you. Now, either you can stay flat like this, or you can go to the balls of your feet when you step out and down. Then we repeat it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the slight change, instead of just 2 out touch, we have 4 and we speed it up. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that with the music.
Yes. Well, looky here,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Here we go.
I love you so.
5, 6, 7, 8. Out. Now we speed it up. Get ready. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. Now for section 2. For the first step, we have 2 different options. One for if you feel like jumping a little bit. Another, if you can't jump, you need to protect those knees. This is for you. So let's do the non-jumping option first. Our arms are just swinging, 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 swinging. And all you do is step forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? And you have that little bounce. For those of you who want to jump a little bit and have the capability in those knees, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Everybody, we go. Step out to your right, point, and then you cross your left foot in front, step back. Your arms go push, 2, 3, 4, and push, 2, 3, 4. And our feet, we're just walking to the left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left. And then we repeat our point here, left, cross right in front, left. And then our feet go right, left, right, left, right. Our arms go in, out, in, out, in, down, repeat, in, out, in, down, down. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, hold. Let's try that with the music. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Push. 3, 4. Point. In, up, down, down. 1, 2, 3, hold. Now for our third and final section. Here we go. So we just did 1, 2, 3, 4, hold. The music goes da 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 da. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our hips are going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step together. Then we have a little breakdown here. We go 1, 2 together. 1, 2 together. 1, 2 together. 1, 2 together. And then you're gonna pop that right foot. And we shimmy to the front, shimmy to the back, shimmy to the front, shimmy to the back. And then we have, put your arms behind you like this, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4. You're opening your legs wider. Now you're gonna pop that booty, and you go front, front, back, back, front, front, back, back. Then you have point out, down, out, down. And then you're gonna jiggle, 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 jiggle. And then all we do is repeat our running section. And then there you have it. Time to do section 3 with the music. 5. Let's go. 1, 2. Two. Other side. Right. Back. 2. Let's go. Right. Repeat. Boy. Now it's time to do all 3 sections from the top with the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, step. Down. Repeat. Let's go. 2. And up, down, up. Repeat. And faster. 1. And push. Again. We go. Up, down. Forward. Let's go. 1, 2. Let's go. 1, 2. Switch sides. Shimmy. Right. Pop that booty. Go. Right. Right. Out. Shake. Repeat. Point. Push. And you're done. So you know what time it is. It's time to do this full out. It's time to give it all you got. Let's go.
Ah, yes. Well, looky here, ah, what do we have? Another pretty thing ready for me to grab. But little does she know that I'm a wolf in sheep's clothing. Cause at the end of the night, it is her I'll be holding. I love you so, hey, that's what you'll say. You'll tell me, baby, baby, please don't go away. But when I play, I never stay. So every girl that I meet, yeah, this is what I say. Run, run, run away, baby. Before I put my spell on you. You better get away, darling. Cause everything you heard is true. Your poor little heart will end up alone. Cause Lord knows I'm a rolling stone. So you better run away, baby. See, I wanna hurt you, baby. No, 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 I just wanna work you, baby. If you scared, you better run. You better run. You better run. You better run. You better run, run away, baby. Before I put my spell on you. You better get away, darling. 'Cause everything you heard is true. Your poor little heart will end up alone. 'Cause Lord knows I'm a rolling stone, baby.
Oh my goodness, that was high energy. You grooved, you learned some choreo while reconnecting with your body and just having fun and feeling good. So thank you for joining me today at Technically Moving with Elyse Vonne, and I will see you next time. Peace.